I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday the 13th. Hey, some people are getting soaked. Tropical downpours developing, and the weekend looks like an excellent chance to get some needed rain around here. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa. That's that new south end zone at Bryant-Denny Stadium. Getting set for the football season. That thing is complete now. I think that place holds 108,000 people now. Wow. When I was a little boy, I went to school across the street from that stadium at Verner Elementary, and I think the capacity back then was like 40,000, so times have changed. The Coleman Skycam, we've got a whopper of a thunderstorm complex just northeast of this site. The Weather Service in Huntsville has put up a significant weather advisory for that, and these things aren't moving much, so again, some spots are really getting heavy amounts of rain over toward Holly Pond. And we'll go down to our Gulf Shore Skycam on the Alabama Gulf Coast, and you can see that a few peaks of sun are showing up down there, but like us, they are in tropical air, and we've got a beach trip planned this weekend. You'll see occasional showers, but on the other hand, the sun breaks out at times. Well, there you go. Our ridge is still in place, but it's weaker as the tropical system has moved up. Strong shortwave to the north, and again, that's going to dent down this heat over the weekend and bring up the chance of rain. But let me tell you what now, it's hot to the north of us, away from the storms. Look at Muscle Shoals at 100. But near the storms, it's noticeably cooler, if that's the right word, not as hot. Haleyville, 89. And you've got low 90s down south. Montgomery, 92. Alexander City, 91. The Shelby County Airport, 91. And we think highs over the weekend will be in the low 90s. And some spots could conceivably stay in the 80s if showers form early enough in the day. That's the radar at 2:46 this afternoon. And all of those showers you see are not moving much. And because of the tropical nature of the air mass, they're dropping very heavy amounts of rain. Just off this radar, over in the northern part of Atlanta, tremendous rains falling up around Sandy Springs and Smyrna, Roswell, Georgia. It's going to be a really messy drive home over there. Convective outlooks, as you expect, all of the organized severe weather way up north with the westerlies. There's today and tonight, and that's tomorrow. And hey, look at the QPF numbers are coming up. Goodness gracious, 8 inches of rain for Dauphin Island, coastal Mississippi, the southeast tip of Louisiana. I'm telling you, these tropical systems can be tremendous rain producers, even if it's not a depression. And I think we'll prove that in coming days. And across Alabama, the amounts vary from about 1.5 inches near the Tennessee border down to 7-8 inches on the Gulf Coast down there. And, of course, we all know that the distribution will be very uneven each day, but if you average out the rain over 5 days, and this is valid, by the way, through Wednesday morning at 7, I do think we get that much, and some spots could easily see more. In fact, some spots have probably had that much just this afternoon over North Alabama. Look at that. Here we are in mid-August and no tropical activity. Interesting. But again, you can see a nice wave about to emerge off the coast of Africa. It's about time for action out there in the deep tropics. We'll see. Let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run valid at 1 o'clock today. You see a very strong shortwave, 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Saturday. Strong shortwave up north, down through here. See the little energy over West Alabama. That's what's left of the tropical disturbance. And look at that, a very deep tropical moisture, a deep tropical air mass in place, scattered to numerous showers and storms. They won't move much. Heavy amounts of rain in spots. Highs only in the low 90s. So, again, that's just what the doctor ordered to break the back of this long heat wave. Sunday, same deal. Tremendous amount of tropical moisture. The precipitable water values are way over 2 inches, and some spots will see heavy rain. Now, Monday of next week, watch what happens on this run. The GFS wants to take that broad surface low. You see it down there over southwest Alabama. We'll go to Tuesday. And you can see the trough to the north, heat bubble off to the west, but it begins to drift the thing off to the west. Look at the surface. We got a developing surface low on the central coast of Louisiana around Morgan City, almost acquiring tropical storm-type characteristics. And Wednesday, that thing drifts over to near Houston and Galveston over southeastern Texas. Not totally convinced it's going to do that. I think the idea of the thing being trapped around here is more plausible, but I guess that's possible. But with a short wave to the north and a weakening ridge, I don't know if it's going to move west like that. But whatever, we'll stay in moist air all week. There's Thursday. And a week from today, Friday the 20th, A 588 ridge in place, and down below that, tropical moisture. Note some evidence of tropical mischief in the Atlantic east of the coast of the Carolinas. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 29th. Pretty high amplitude pattern to the north of us, but around here, again, just kind of typical summer-like conditions, if that's right. Hot, muggy, a few scattered storms about, and again, on this particular run, no sign of any tropical issues out there, but would not be shocked if we were to see some in late August. That's when you typically expect a lot of things happening out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video I do will be posted here by Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders sometimes, will do the updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.